Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Fuel relief and new security funding approved in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Siamo stati molto veloci, abbiamo concertato di fatto questa importante misura di soccorso verso le imprese a fronte dell'aumento dei carburanti, pesante, parliamo di 14 milioni e 400 mila euro, in tempi davvero record. Quindi a brevissimo uscirà il bando, andremo a ristorare diverse categorie che di fatto lavorano in maniera prevalente con mezzi, quindi di conseguenza consumi di carburante.
Friuli Venezia Giulia and Osaka signed partnership agreement to boost innovation and investment.
Friuli Venezia Giulia and Japan's Osaka Prefecture have signed a 3-year agreement to strengthen cooperation in research, innovation, life sciences, and investment. The memorandum was signed at the World Health Expo in Osaka as part of the region's long-term international strategy.
Relazioni che sono state intessute in questi anni sia in preparazione della Expo di Osaka dell'anno scorso, sia durante soprattutto lo stesso Expo. Sono relazioni fondamentali che guardano chiaramente a scambi commerciali, all'insediamento di attività produttive e quindi guardano alle imprese ma anche alle infrastrutture.
Governor Fedriga's next move, Mayor of Trieste or national politics?
Friuli Venezia Giulia Governor Massimiliano Fedriga has said he would be willing to consider both a future bid for Mayor of Trieste and a senior national role within Italy's League Party, fueling speculation over his political future. Despite the speculation, Fedriga's preferred outcome is widely seen as remaining president of the Friuli Venezia Giulia region. That option, however, faces legal obstacles under Italy's current limits on consecutive regional terms. Any change would likely depend on broader negotiations in Rome between the governing coalition partners, the League and Brothers of Italy, over electoral reform.
A new UV forecast tool helps residents stay sun-safe across Friuli Venezia Giulia. The Regional Agency for Environmental Protection, ARPA Friuli Venezia Giulia, launched Widget UV, a free digital tool providing real-time ultraviolet radiation forecasts helping citizens across Friuli Venezia Giulia stay safe in the sun.
Questo vuole essere, questo progetto di ARPA e del nostro assessorato all'ambiente, aprirsi ai cittadini, far conoscere tutti i dati di quando conviene esporsi al sole che fa bene e quando conviene meno perché fa male al nostro corpo, anche quando sei in acqua. Quindi questo va tutto quanto a essere visibile nel sito dell'ARPA e in più per chi ha un sito o soprattutto chi ha un'attività turistica può nel proprio sito mettere tutti quanti i dati.
Trieste local police discuss security, community and the future.
Trieste Special Interventions Unit is on the front line in the fight against urban decay, carrying out targeted patrols and operations to tackle vandalism, street crime and antisocial behavior.
NIS is a special operation unit of our local police. It has been active since 2007. Nowadays it's the rapid response unit of our local police.
Sì, indubbiamente è chiaro che anche l'aumento di flusso turistico ha comportato l'arrivo, oltre a qualche commerciante dotato o meno di autorizzazione, ma che magari non può farlo ovviamente in Piazza della Borsa, ma ha portato anche l'arrivo di qualche venditore da fuori città perché è diventato un mercato più appetibile in questo senso.
Big changes ahead for Trieste bus riders.
Trieste buses are going fully digital. Beginning July 14th, mechanical ticket validators will be retired with passengers using QR codes or contactless payment instead. New features also allow riders to buy and validate tickets for up to 10 people with a single tap, as the city's public transport system continues its digital transition.
Americans in Trieste celebrate the 4th of July far from home.
To mark the 4th of July and the 250th anniversary of the United States, we visited the Prosecco baseball stadium near Trieste, where Americans and locals came together for an evening of baseball music and celebration.
I'm originally from Cincinnati, Ohio, but I've been living in Trieste for 40 years. And why is July 4th important to me? Well, it brings back a lot of memories about being in the States and cookouts and family and fireworks.
St. Louis for 18 years. I'm here now for over 50 right now at the moment. And it's important to come here to celebrate an event that I miss every once in a while.
I am from Naples, Florida, in America, homebred. It's very just like crazy. We're in Italy, so them like coming out and like taking the time to celebrate for us is so meaningful, I would say, and especially because we're 250 years old, which is a big year. And it is a little bit sad I wasn't able to be in America, but this is just amazing. Like, it brings a piece of home back to me, I would say.
We're here, Trieste, where we are. I'm here because I'm deep in love with the American culture in general, Western movies, all that kind of stuff.
We are from Trieste, Italy. For me, this day is beautiful because I love USA.
I've been here for a million years. I love Trieste and I love the community here. It's always nice to come and see my American friends.
Thank you for watching In Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.